students, today we will continue with our third standard maths introduction to geometric figures, edges and corners. Look at this piece of barfi. Now this is a barfi. It is a quadrilateral. A quadrilateral has 4 edges and 4 corners. Now this is a barfi and it is a quadrilateral. A quadrilateral has 4 edges. 1, 2, 3, 4 edges. And how many corners? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 corners. Observe the surface of a table. Now this is a table. How many edges does the surface have? Now children, this is a table. So how many edges does a table have? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 edges. How many corners does the surface have? Corners 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 corners. What is the shape of the surface of the table? Now what is the shape of the table? Okay, see now if I draw like this. So what is the shape? This shape it is. This side and this side is long. This side and this side is short. Can you see this? This is short. This is short. This is long. This is long. So this opposite sides are equal. And this short opposite sides are equal. So it is rectangular in shape. So you are going to write rectangle. Take a rectangular sheet of paper as shown below. Now this is what? Rectangle. Now you have to take one paper. How many edges and how many corners does a rectangle have? Now here I have got one paper. Okay. How many edges? This is a rectangle shape. And how many edges? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 edges. 4 edges. And how many corners? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 4 corners. Again I'll show you. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 corners. Now let us fold the paper in the middle to bring the opposite edges together. We will take this paper and we will fold it. Okay. Can you see? We have folded this paper. What do we see? The longer side falls exactly on the opposite side. Now this is the longer side. It is falling exactly on the opposite side. This side and this sides are opposite. Okay, so the longer side is falling on this side. Like this. This is the longer side. So the opposite sides are equal. The shorter side falls exactly on the side opposite too. Now which is the shorter side? This side and this side. So when we fold it, it will fall exactly opposite. See, this opposite side and this opposite sides are equal. This both sides are equal. So this opposite side is equal to this opposite side. And this long side, this opposite side is equal to this side. So this is longer side and this is shorter side. So the longer sides are equal and the shorter sides are equal. So the opposite sides are equal. The opposite sides of a rectangle are of equal length. Take a look at a handkerchief. It is a square. Now when you take a handkerchief, okay children, this is a handkerchief. So this is a square. Okay, handkerchief is a square. How many edges and corners does a square have? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 edges. This is a square and it has 4 edges. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 edges. And corners? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 corners. A square has, this is a square, it has 4 edges. 1, 2, 3, 4 edges. Corners? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 corners. Fold the handkerchief in the middle from top to bottom as well as from side to side to see if the opposite sides are of equal length. When we fold it like this, we see that this part is falling exactly on this. So the opposite side are of equal length. Now we shall fold the handkerchief as shown alongside to find out if each corner falls exactly on the one opposite. Now when you fold your hanky like this, you will find that exactly the corners are coming together. The corners match and so do the edges that make them up. They are matching, no? See, this corners, when you fold the hanky, exactly it falls on the other corners. So the edges are proper, like they are equal length. Now fold the handkerchief over again. Again and again when you fold the handkerchief, you will get the equal length. All the edges match in length. All the edges of a square are of equal length. So when you fold the handkerchief, you keep on folding the handkerchief, you will get all equal length. Why you will get equal length? Because they are equal. The square has all the 4 sides equal. These edges are equal. These corners are of equal length. Okay. So all the corners and edges are of equal length. Now that we got a triangle when we folded the handkerchief. Now this was a handkerchief. So when we folded the handkerchief, like that, this way, okay, this way we folded the handkerchief, we will get a triangle like this. If you keep it like this, you will get a triangle like this way. This is a triangle and this is also a triangle. How many edges does a triangle have? 1, 2, 3. A triangle has 3 edges. How many corners? 1, 2, 3. A triangle has 3 corners. Find the shape in your surrounding. Now children, I have few shapes over here of triangle. Can you see this? This is a triangle. 1, 2, 3. There are 3 edges in a triangle and 3 corners. 1, 2, 3. So there are 3 edges and 3 corners in a triangle. This signboard you will get near on the roadside for traffic signal. This signboard you can see, no? 1 way, 2 ways and all. This way sign you can see on the traffic signal on the road. Now this flag is also in the shape of a triangle. 1, 2, 3. There are 3 edges. And how many corners? 1, 2, 3. There are 3 corners. This is a triangle and there are 3 edges and 3 corners. And where there is a triangle? Yes, this sandwich. This sandwich is also triangle in shape. And how many edges a triangle has? 1, 2, 3. 3 edges. And how many corners? 1, 2, 3. 3 corners. And where you can see the triangle over here? Yes, here. This hanger is also in triangle shape. How many edges does a triangle has? 1, 2, 3 edges. And how many corners? 1, 2, 3 corners. So this all you can see in your surrounding. This, these are triangle in shape. This is a square, okay, and this is also a square. This is a circle. This and this is a triangle. Use sticks to make the following shapes: quadrilateral, rectangle, square, triangle. Now children, you have to take some matchsticks and you have to make these shapes. So this activity you have to do it on your own. Complete the table below. Figure. All these figures are given. Name of the figure. Now which figure is this? This is a quadrilateral. A quadrilateral has 4 sides now. 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. And how many corners? 1, 2, 3, 4 corners. Name of the figure is what? Quadrilateral. Q, U, A, D, R, I, L, A, T, E, R, A, L. Quadrilateral. Number of edges. A quadrilateral has how many edges? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 edges. Number of corners. A quadrilateral has how many corners? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 corners. Which figure is this? This is a rectangle. Can you see this length and this length? Opposite sides are equal, and this side is opposite sides are equal. So this is a rectangle. R, E, C, T, A, N, G, L, E. Rectangle. Number of edges a rectangle has? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 edges. A rectangle has 4 edges. Number of corners. A rectangle has 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 corners. C-O-R-N-E-R-S. 4 corners. Which figure is this? This is a square. Can you see all the sides are equal? All the sides are equal of the square. So this is a square. S-Q-U-A-R-E. Number of edges. A square has how many edges? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 edges. E-D-G-E-S. Edges. Number of corners. How many corners? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 corners. C-O-R-N-E-R-S. Which figure is this? This is a triangle. Can you see this? This is a triangle. So you have to write triangle. T-R-I-A-N-G-L-E. Triangle. Number of edges. 1, 2, 3. 3 edges. How many corners? 1, 2, 3. 3 corners. What is this? Which figure is this? This is a circle. C-I-R-C-L-E. C-I-R-C-L-E. Circle. Number of edges. Can you see any edges over here? No. In this we saw edges, no? This way 1, 2, 3, 4 edges. Here also 1, 2, 3, 4 edges. Here also 4 edges. Here 3 edges. But here there are no edges. So 0 edges. How many corners? Can you see this way corners here? These are corners. This, these are corners. But here there are any corners? No. There are no corners. So 0 corners. Okay children, bye.